Hey viewers, today's target is we are having a list of mark, and from the list of mark we are going to calculate the sum of all the mark and what is the highest mark, what is the lowest mark, and how we're going to calculate average of all the marks. So for that, let's create a list of mark. MARKs. I am going to create a list of marks. So let's declare some values. 63, then 76, then 97, then 83, and 56. Okay, so in this way I created 5 subject and each subject having some values. Let we are having 5 subject and each subject you are getting some mark. Okay, the then the first target is going to calculate the total mark. So I'm going to create a variable total equals to 0. So here I initialize a variable total equals to 0. Then the next is we going to calculate highest mark. Okay, highest mark equals to. So I am going to initialize the value. So how we are going to do that one? So from the list, let's take the first one. So first one is 0th index, right? So I initialize with the value 63. Similarly, for the lowest mark, again I'm going to initialize with same value first. Then we'll iterate through the list and we're going to calculate that. We'll see that one also. Okay. Now, how I'm going to iterate through each value? Simple, through the for loop. So I think in the previous that is video, I already explained the basic functionality of for loop. So for mark in marks. Okay, now I'm going inside the loop, and here I'm going to check the total. So total equals to total plus mark. Okay, let's understand how it is going to iterate through the one. Look, what is the total value? 0 equals to 0 plus mark. So what is the first one? 63. So 0 plus 63. That is now total value 63. Now again iterate through that one. 76. So next is 63 equals to 63 plus 76. Again next 97. So what is the value of now total equal to 63 plus 76 plus now 97. Okay, so in this way you are going to calculate the total value. It is total sum of all the marks. Now we are going to calculate highest mark. So here we'll go with the if condition. Inside the for loop you're having if condition. So if mark is greater than highest mark, then highest mark equals to mark. Okay, now understand the logic. First of all, it is 63. The mark is equal to 63 and highest mark also 63 because you initialize the with first index, right? So 63 is greater than 63? No. So this condition is not going to execute. Next, 76. So here mark is 76, right? So 76 is greater than highest mark. What is the highest mark? Already created 63. Yes, 76 is greater than 63. Okay, now highest mark is equals to 76. Now next is mark is 97. So 97 is greater than 76. Yes. So now highest mark is 97. So now 83. So rest all the things are very less. So this condition is not going to execute. In this way, we got the highest mark. So in the same way, also we are going to get the lowest mark. Okay. Now the lowest mark equals to mark. Okay. Now we are going to get out of the loop. Okay. Now what is the total value, right? Yeah, average. We're going to calculate the average value. So average equals to, what is the average? The total mark divided by number of subjects. So total we are already calculated. Total divided by number of subject. How we are going to calculate number of subject? Yes, by length. So length of the list. Length of the list is equal to marks. Okay, so in this way we calculate. But remember, average is a float value and rest all are integer value. Okay, so print sum of marks. Okay, so what is total? Now print what highest mark. So it is highest mark, right? Now print. I wait for the average value. How are we going to calculate? Lowest mark is lowest mark, correct? Now these all are integers, but how are we going to calculate the average value? How are we going to print the average value? Not all calculated because it is via float type. So here average is, look, so here average now dot to f, sorry, dot to f. That means after decimal I'm going to print two values. Okay, so see the output. Okay, look, sum of marks 375. Okay, highest is 97, correct, and lowest mark is 56 and the average 75. So let's change this into 59. Okay, we'll check. Okay, now look here 75.60, got it? So here I declared 2f, that means after decimal two values are there. Okay, so in this way we calculated sum of marks, highest mark, lowest mark, average mark by using simple for loop as well as if conditions in that one. Okay, thank you.